I have my 19s and worsted weight yarn, and I'm going to do the long tail cast on, and I'm going to do it continental method. So pull it up, through, up, and through, up, through, and notice how I'm not throwing my yarn. This is the difference between the English and the continental, so for sake of speed I'm just going to go ahead and cast on. Okay, so now I have my cast on stitches. My tail that I'm going to not work is going to be just over here. I am going to have my working yarn with the ball in my left hand, and in my right, with my right needle, I am going to slip my needle through the first stitch, come around, pull it through and off onto my right needle. So again, I slip it through, around, bring it back through, and now I have 2 knit stitches here. Slip it through, come around like this, slip it through, and notice I'm not doing any throwing. This is the difference between English and continental. So I'm just going to go quickly here, and I'll show you what to do when we get to the end. Okay, so now I'm at the end, and I have basically knit 1 row. So I'm going to twist, just turn my needle like this, and now my end is on the bottom, and my working yarn is back at the top. I'm going to go again do the same thing. This is knit. Just going to knit through, knit, 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 like this, and you can see how it's making that, what I call like a ladder, for lack of a better word. And I'm not doing any purling, I'm just going to be knitting. So knit through, and you can kind of see how it's similar to crochet in that you're not doing any throwing. So again, here's my knit, my yarn, my tail is up here, so I move the tail over there just to not get in my way, like that. And again, my working yarn in my left hand, come back to the top, and I knit again. And you just keep doing that over and over again till the size that you want, and then you will have a blanket in no time. And I hope that this makes sense. There you go. So again, real slow. Take the right needle, working yarn in the left hand, slip it through the stitch, grab the working yarn, bring it through. So think of it like a single crochet. You just go through, like that, go through, and go through, and go through. Hope that helps.